Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to find the value of k for the given equation. So let's start by writing the equation first, that is k raised to power 4 is equals to k minus 1 raised to power 4. We can rewrite it as k squares whole square is equals to k minus 1 squares whole square. Now, to simplify it further, we are going to take this right hand side expression to the left hand side and we will get k square whole square minus k minus 1 squares whole square is equals to 0. Now, this looks like a square minus b square. So we are going to use the formula a square minus b square is equals to a plus b, a minus b. So we will get k square minus k minus 1 square and k square plus k minus 1 square is equals to 0. Now, we can write k square as it is, but here we have to use the formula a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square, and we will get k square minus bracket k square minus 2k plus 1 and put it in the bracket. Next we have k square plus k square minus 2k plus 1 is equals to 0. Now this bracket will give us k square minus. Now because there is minus outside the bracket, so the signs inside the bracket will change and we will get k square plus 2k minus 1, and in the other bracket k square plus k square minus 2k plus 1 is equals to 0. And if you have not subscribed the channel yet, please do subscribe. Now continue. This will cancel out and we are left with 2k minus 1 and this will plus 2k square minus 2k plus 1 is equals to 0. Now what we can do here is we can equate these two expressions to this 0 and we will get k minus 1 equals to 0 and 2k square minus 2k plus 1 is equals to 0. Now from this we will get the value of k, that will be 2k is equals to 1 and k is equals to 1 by 2. This is the first value of k, and for the second value we are going to use the formula, quadratic formula, minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now value of a is equals to 2. This is for the value a. This is b is equals to minus 2 and c is equals to 1. We have taken the value of a is equals to 2 because this has the highest power, then the middle one, and c for the constant. By putting the value, we will get minus 2 plus minus under root minus 2 square minus 4 2 in the bracket and 1 upon 2 into 2. Then here we will get this minus minus plus 2 plus minus under root 2 2s are 4 minus 4 2s are 8 upon 4. Then 2 plus minus under root. This 4 minus 8 is minus 4 upon 4. Now we got k is equals to 2 plus minus under root minus 4 upon 4. Now the value of under root 4 is equals to 2. But we are going to do is minus 2 plus minus under root 4 into minus 1 upon 4. Next, this will be 2 plus minus under root 4 into under root minus 1 upon 4 equals to 2 plus minus 2. Now, the value of minus 1 under root is equals to iota I. So, we are going to write here I upon 4. Now, by taking 2 common here, we are left with 1 plus minus I upon 4. By cutting this, we will get value of k is equals to 1 plus iota upon 2 and 1 minus iota upon 2, and the other value we got was 1 upon 2. So we have 3 values for k. 2 for 2 are complex, and this is the normal. K is equals to half 1 by 2. I hope it was easy. See you with the next problem. Thank you.